Okay, come to this question. So that the volume of the solid generator when the region R revolve 2 pi about x-axis is 2 pi. So volume, they will tell you whether you want to do dx or dy. When you say revolve about x-axis, no matter 2 pi or 330 Celsius or 360 degree or pi over 2, whatever degree they want to rotate, as long as it rotates about x-axis, means the volume formula will be pi. Then a to b for the function we need to square and dx. Alright, so we look at the region R. So the region R is bounded by the curve secant x over 2 from 0 to pi over 2. So which means that the volume generated from 0 until pi over 2 function secant x over 2 square dx. So normally we need to draw the region first, but for secant, do you learn the graph of secant? We didn't learn the graph of secant. If they give a function that weird one, we don't know how to draw the graph one, we can use directly the graph and the range they give. But if this one it gives you cos, then you need to draw up first, so that if you give me cos, so that you have to identify from 0 to pi until 2 which is the region bounded. Alright, so don't skip the first step. The first step is draw the region, identify the part, so that you can get the correct lower limit and upper limit. So in this case we no need, because secant we cannot draw. Alright, we cannot draw, so we just use whatever they give here, secant square 0 up to pi over 2. Or another way, if you're facing the problem in drawing, you can use calculator. You use calculator, you put in mood table, so that you plot one by one. Plot start from function which is 1 over cos x over 2, and then you start from point x0 and then end to the point pi over 2. Your step, let's say you take 0.1 like that. So you can plot one by one for your graph instead of you didn't draw anything. Alright, so for this question we no need to draw. If you want to draw, you come back after this. We straight away calculate for this. Integrate secant square. Integrate secant square, you can give us the answer of tangent. And then don't forget your angle 1 over 2. So over 2. When over 2, you flip up, become coefficient in numerator. Then upper limit pi over 2, lower limit 0. So here we have 2 pi, we factorize. Inside here, tangent pi over 4 minus tangent 0. So try to figure out pi over 4. It will be equals to tangent pi over 4, 1. So we can get 2 pi for volume unit cube.